Hi, my name is Lana Ashkunia and I'm from Foundation 3 Abu Bakar.
My name is Umi Huda binti Muhammad Abdullah from 3 Abu Bakar.
My name is Muhammad Darwish from 3 Abu Bakar.
I'm Khadija Maisarah binti Zazul Azizi from 3 Abu Bakar.
We send fertilizing winds and bring down rain from the sky for you to drink. It is not you who hold its reserves. Before a plant can get fertilized, they first need to be pollinated. The type of pollination shown above is wind pollination, which requires wind as a vessel to spread seeds from one plant to another. Another type of pollination is pollination through insects. When insects such as bees feed on flowers, the pollen from the flower stamen will get stuck on their furry body. This pollen contains pollen grains, which are the male gametes of a flower reproduction system. Here's an example of how the plant will depend on insects to spread their pollen grain to another flower stigma. The stigma is the female reproductive organ of a flower. Following the fertilization process, the ovule of a flower will develop into a seed and the ovum will emerge as a fruit. Have you ever wondered how the plants get the insects to pollinate them? The strong fragrances and colorful flower petals are what draws insects to feed on them.
Limitation of the photosynthesis process in plants to produce a bionic leaf for hydrogen fuel. Imagine a world where you can power every vehicle with water and sunlight. Referring to the photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide plus water with the sunlight became oxygen and energy. Let's change it up a little. We will be using leaves to split hydrogen from water, and the product will be oxygen. Thus, there will be no waste at all. The hydrogen produced by the bionic leaf will be used to make hydrogen fuel. We can power vehicles without fear of polluting the environment. We will no longer depend on fossil fuels alongside preventing air pollution. With biomimicry, our bionic leaf will be further improvised beyond 10% efficiency. Floral diversity refers to the diversity of plants occurring in a specific region during a particular era. The importance of floral diversity are ensure more stable rate of carbon sequestration, help prevent desertification or other ecological upheavals, buffer animal populations from the privations of climate extremes, which is why pollination is important for the longevity of floral diversity.
Pollinators are vital as they bring us one from the 3 bites of food that we eat. In big countries like United States, pollination from bees and other insects give a big role in producing plant species that worth to $40 million. As mentioned in Al-Quran from Surah An-Nahl, Allah said that honey from the bees is a medicine for human. As a Muslim, we have a task in maintaining their habitats as we also need them. So, what can we relate with the life? We can take the pollinators and the flowers as an example because they benefit each other and they also need each other to survive. We are living in the same world, so there's no reason to say no to help your friends. Remember that no one has ever become poor by giving.
Abu Hanifa Dinawari is one of the best botanists from the 8th century, and he received the title the father of Islamic botanists. One of his valuable work, the Book of Plants, describes more than 600 plants including their life cycle, growth, reproduction, and fruiting. After that, the book had become the guide for many scientists doing plant research.